All right. Whoa, what? What is going on in here? It looks like all of these vacuums are lined up and they've got friends riding on the back of them. What? Daddy Shark's on a Yeti, Mama Shark's on a Yeti, Baby Shark's on a Yoopy, Peppa's on a D-Bot, Daddy's on a Pinky, George has got a test board. What? George, did you get a test board? Yeah, the S6, Gooby with Mama Pig, Chase is on the Mushu, Ryder's got a white Galongali. What? Ryder, that's crazy. Bandit is on, what kind of vacuum are you?
Shark vacuum.
A what?
Shark.
A shark vacuum? Looks like Hulk's riding the Dabia, Rocky's on the green one, and Spidey has got his own Test 4 S6. This is gonna be crazy. So, Mr. Shark Vacuum, what are we doing today?
I can't talk.
You can't talk?
No.
Why can't you talk?
Because I'm a vacuum.
Because you're a vacuum?
Yep.
Okay. Well, I guess I better start all these guys up and we'll just see what happens. Let's start at this end.
I'm starting the clean.
Oh, there goes Dad and Mom. Oh, Baby Shark is on the Yuppie and she's gone. Oh, Daddy Pig on the D-Bot. That looks like he's going crazy. George is rocking the test board. Mommy Pig and the Gooby are out of here. It's like chasing the Mushu. They are gone. The Galongali is out of here with Ryder. Oh, Bandit and the Shark are taking off. Hulk is gone. What?
I don't want to be a vacuum.
You don't want to be a vacuum anymore? All right. Well, let's just try and keep an eye on all these vacuums and see what's going on.
What should I put this one?
Bandit, just hold on to him. Whoa, Bandit is teaming up with Mommy Shark, it looks like, on that Yeti. Nice work, buddy. Oh, no, you don't. What? Mommy Shark just ate Bandit? Whoa, Mommy Shark is out eating everybody. Looks like Daddy Pig's stuck over there. Daddy Pig's stuck or what? Whoa, now Peppa Pig's getting run over by a D-Bot. Oh, Peppa Pig, are you okay? Whoa, Daddy Pig just went for flying across the room. Hulk is taken out. He's laying down there on the floor, it looks like. Right next to Daddy and Baby Shark. Alright, there goes Mommy Shark too. She didn't make it either. Looks like Spidey is the last one riding on his test board. Yeah, I think he made it. Oh, nope. Mommy Shark ate him up too. Alright.
No, you don't.
Oh, and the shark vacuum. It's the last one. All right, you want to tell everybody like and subscribe or what?
Because I'm a shark vacuum.
Because you're a shark vacuum?
I'm a shark vacuum. I can't talk.
All right.